Oh. You know, all readers are leaders. The moment you stop reading, you stop leading. If you read the right books, it can open the door to a whole wealth of knowledge. This happens to be The Purpose-Driven Life. What on earth am I here for? It sold a few copies, but you open it up and, oh, look at this little button. And you press the button, and all of a sudden it opens the door. Let's go on in here, see what we can find. Welcome to my library. So everything in here has a story of my 53 years of ministry and history and people. Here's Calvin and Wesley. Here's, C.S. Lewis and Tolkien. Here's John Bunyan and Charles Spurgeon and all of these things. Let me show you something I didn't get to show you earlier. This is what I call my bucket of ministry. When people ask, what does a pastor do? This bucket explains it. Sometimes you're shepherding. You're caring for people. You're counseling. You're caring. But sometimes you're cultivating. And you're out cultivating. You're helping them grow to spiritual growth. Sometimes you have to go out and you're harvesting. And here's a sickle for harvesting. And that's part of your job as a pastor. Sometimes you're picking fruit. This is an old classic fruit picker that you can do. You're picking fruit, spiritual fruit. Sometimes you go fishing. I'll make you fisherman. Sometimes you have to go to battle. And you have to go to war over something. So we got a sword. Sometimes most of the time serving, big serve. So you get a big serve. But 90% of the time, you're scooping poop. Okay, you're dealing with people's problems and their messes, and that's really what a pastor does. So welcome to the bucket of ministry.